Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. My name is Christine, and in today's video I'm gonna show you how I lay my glueless wig. This is the wig that we are going to use today, and the method is super easy and also it's beginner friendly. I have the Foisten melting spray. I have a lace tint mousse, edge control. I have some brushes. I have this for laying the edges. I have some scissors, and I have a melting band and a tail comb. I make sure my edges are clean and there is no sweat, so I go in with the edge control. I like using the toothbrush. I have a mirror here, so that's what I'll be using. So this is how I lay the edges. Just simple. This is the gel. I'll go in with the wig cap. I push it back a little bit, like that. So this is the wig, and it's tinted, but not tinted well. So I will show you how I tint the lace. I use the lace tint mousse and this brush. So I put some like this, and then I use the brush to tint it so that it can blend with my skin tone. And for those who may want to know which shade is this, it's medium brown. I need to add more like this. Since the wig is glueless, we have this band, and we also have these ones to secure it properly so that it doesn't fall. So the wig is well secured, and this is the lace. You can see it. I make sure it's at the middle so it doesn't look funny, and also I made sure I secured it perfectly so that it doesn't fall. And I have a small hack. Many people, they don't know where the wig should be placed, that is. So what I do, I measure at the tip of my nose and the eyebrow like this, then I measure like this. You see they're equal, so that looks perfectly. And then I secure it with this one, with the clip. What I do, I spray it inside here. Like this. And then I go in with the lace tint. I pump like 2, that's enough. I mix it with this brush. It looks like this. So that's what I'll be using for the lace. I'll just lay the upper part just a little bit. I don't use the melting spray on the full frontal part, so I just use here, so that's where I will lay the edges. So this is my mixture, and then I go in first like this at the middle part a little bit. This is how I apply it. So you just need very little amount to avoid wastage. And then I will use the edge brush to lay the edges. The baby hairs. So that's how I lay them, and then I do the same on the other side. I will wipe the extra spray before I tie it. Then I'll use this melting band. So after tying the lace bands, I leave it for like 5 to 10 minutes, and this one does magic. It helps the lace to melt into your skin. You're gonna see it after 5 to 10 minutes. It's been 10 minutes, and we're gonna see how it looks. Yeah, you see how it looks? It looks really good. So it can't come out, it's super strong. So I'll comb it out and we see how it looks. So that's how I lay my glueless wigs, and I really like it, because if you want just to remove it, you'll just you can spray a little bit of water on the glue, then you just take it out and it won't mess up your natural edges. So that's it, guys. It's super easy, quick, and also beginner friendly method. And if you'd like me to do a video on how I style the wig after installing, let me know in the comment section and I'll do that in my next video. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, kindly make sure you hit the subscribe button and also like, comment, so that YouTube may suggest my videos to many viewers. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.